Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set status message in the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Zello app. Here it opens up in the contacts. From here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three dots, and then tap on status. And here in the bottom part of this pop-up, we find set status message. We tap on that, and here we can type anything. For example, busy at work, like this. And then for others, like in this part, they're going to see this message. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.